Welcome back to Kung Fu NaJ. Today we will be making sausage tomato chutney. Firstly, let an adult put on the stove for you.
Dangerous.
Because it can be dangerous.
Okay. Put on the pot.
Is it cooking?
Yeah.
We're going to braise our onions until
oil.
golden brown.
The oil first.
Oh, the oil.
Let the oil heat up before you throw in the onions. Let it heat up a bit.
Every last drop, because the drops are important.
So we chopped up 2 onions.
Yes.
Chopped up 2 onions and we're putting in a chili. But now remember, if you take out the seeds,
yeah,
the chili isn't as strong. But we guys, aren't we? We love it strong.
Yeah.
Hang on. Let it heat up a bit. Let it warm up a bit. Ask your subscribers or your audience to subscribe.
Subscribe and hit the bell. Thank you. Hashtag ad. It looks nice now.
Take one piece of onion, small piece of onion, and throw it in. If it sizzles, it's ready. Okay, it's ready.
Do I throw it all?
Empty it out. You forgot to tell your audience, today is a reveal.
Yeah, it's a reveal today.
Tell them what the reveal is about.
It's about my face.
Revealing your identity.
I see. Have you tested my egg curry yet?
Please let us know.
Please let us know. Is that good now?
We're going to let it drain for a while, and we'll be back after it's nice and golden brown. Welcome back.
Welcome back. We have braised the onions until golden brown. Now we're going to put in our tomatoes.
Okay, help you. And we've reduced the heat because we want to simmer it.
Yes. And now we're going to put in our salt and pepper. You put in the pepper, I'll put in salt.
Wait, no. You would rather put in the pepper.
Okay.
Just 2 shakes. Just 2 shakes.
2.
Yes. Put some salt.
It's nice though.
And what else are you going to put in?
We're going to put in some what's it called? Sugar.
Okay.
Can't believe I forgot what sugar was. It's called for a second. Sorry.
Okay.
So now I'm
just
going to
stir it up a bit.
Ooh. Ooh.
Good. Oh, that's fantastic. Looks delicious, NaJ.
Yeah.
Okay. Close up the lid, let it simmer a bit. We'll be back in a minute.
We're back.
Okay. So we simmered the sauce a bit.
Yeah. And
we've got a kilo Tanya sausage.
From Choked Butchery in Athlone.
Okay. Can we add the
All
sausage?
Oh my gosh.
That's
That was gonna take long.
Okay, we'll let this simmer for a while.
Peace.
Right, let's do some food.
Chutney.
Looking good. Whoa, NaJ.
What?
The chili almost making your whole plate.
Jimmy.
Enjoy, buddy.
Okay.
Like some bread.
Let's go.
Let's touch that chili. I think that chili must go in mommy's plate.
Mommy's like, no.
Okay. Let's have a taste.
I'm putting it in my plate.
First taste a bit. First taste a bit.
I'm gonna taste it in my plate. Go back in there.
Making a sandwich. Hot sandwich.
It's nice.